Hello, class. Welcome to week number 6. This is Sister Higgins, and this week you're going to be learning about the role of power in conflict. And we have talked so far this semester about power, but you're really going to break down how power is always present in conflict. It presents itself in different ways depending on who the parties are and how they approach the conflict. We're going to talk a little bit about that briefly in this overview. So there are 3 views, perspectives, or Brother Bean calls them camps, on power in conflict. So first, with designated power, this is power that we give to another person or an organization in conflict. We're giving that to them. Next is either or power, and this is power that both parties seek after. So both people or both organizations are wanting power. And I want you to think about current events, what we're seeing right now with North and South Korea and the United States, China, Iran, and think about how we're seeing these different types of power. And then we have finally both and power. And this is the ideal. Both parties have power, or they aren't concerned on who has the power. So I want you to also be thinking about your own relationships and what type of power you have in those different relationships when there's conflict. All right, the next type of powers or perspectives on power is the RICE powers. And this acronym stands for Resource Control, Interpersonal Linkage, Communication Skills, and Expertise. So first, with resource control, this is what we possess, what resources we have that give us power. So I want you to just think about conflict, and if you possess something that someone else wants or that's causing conflict, but you're the one that has those resources. Next is interpersonal linkage. This is your ability to connect with other people. Brother Bean talks about the LinkedIn and how this is our ability to connect with people. And for myself in human resources, as I'm in charge of hiring and receiving applications and resumes, this is definitely a power that I see. The people that get hired, the people that are promoted, are people that connect with other people, that network well. The saying, it's all about who you know, is very true. And it definitely is a power in helping you to get what you want or what you need in life. So then next is communication skills. This is the ability to communicate or charm people, your popularity, your charisma. This is definitely a skill that can give you power. Also, again, think about current events. Think about past and present leaders in the government and their different communication skills, and if it gives them power, or it can also affect their power and cause conflict. And finally is expertise. So you've heard the saying, knowledge is power. This is basically what that would mean, is what you know, your expertise in a particular area can give you power. So as you're going about this week, again, think about your own self, apply it to your life, your own relationships, as well as thinking about the world around you. So you're going to have the opportunity to watch a movie this week and learn from this movie. So it's 12 Angry Men. This is a classic movie, and the link is provided in the lesson. So you'll be able to watch it from here and either block out the time to be able to watch it or try and watch it in like 2 separate blocks so that you're able to follow the movie and really be able to understand the messages